Strangler is on the loose, bang bang, lyrics ricochet like a deuce. And see, they pull on my nerves like a loose tooth. I ain't got it all, y'all, I think one of them screws lose in the contest. If you wanna come test, then come fresh. I think you better confess, cause you ain't all that fresh. You was in front of your boys talking all that mess, talking loud as hell, sticking out your bird chest. But without your beats, you get quiet and nervous. What happened to that tough guy trash talk? Better keep your mouth shut or you be on the asphalt, it's your own fault. I put your career to a halt. You know Book and Mike is out behind the chalk. But you guys can like the way I rock the mic. The rocks is rocks, crowd behind you, so get up. What? And throw your hands in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. And yo, you guys can like the way I rock the mic. The rocks is rocks, crowd behind you, so get up. What? And throw your hands in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. I be serving y'all, lyrically murder y'all. Think you beat me on the mic, man, it's some nerve of y'all. I ain't never heard of y'all. Who you say you was, you ain't the hottest rapper out. You don't have a buzz. I intimidate whack rappers who try to imitate. I break the style down, let me demonstrate. Anyone who emulates, I obliterate. My mental state is too strong to manipulate. I have no apathy for whack MC. My mission is to destroy those who battle me. I put rappers to death if they can't bust tight. We can battle via fax, email, the website. I keep it fundamental on the instrumental. I beat a rapper to death with a pencil. I put him in the hospital. They condition is critical. Bruise battered and scar looking all pitiful. Yo, you guys can like the way I rock the mic. The rocks is right. The crowd behind you, get up. And throw your hands in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. Yo, you guys can like the way I rock the mic. The rocks is right. The crowd behind you, get up. And throw your hands in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. You do way too much thinking I'ma get touched. Plus, I turn the microphone to dust. I control what defines my soul, and I'ma keep rocking my till my time goes. Time the flow has never been heard before. Unfamiliar to some of the true listeners know that I'm about to set it. Testing me, you'll regret it. The true definition of what a fed is. Mike is the most feared and dreaded. Man, you gotta pay your dues, homie. You can't get it on credit when you get sweated. And I'ma let it be known, I gotta set it so the spot can't be blown. I'm in the zone. You better go because I'm hot. I'm like time, y'all, because I can't be stopped. I figured out a long time ago that my conversation without last. The simple-minded cats trying to flow. Hey, yo, you guys to like the way I rock the mic. The rocks is right. The crowd behind you, get up. And throw your hands in the air and wave them all around.
Usedeno donije na trevari koji što treba da ni pokaže kakav je kvalitet na ovoj turnir. Prvi od Satelit pod makedonsko zname. Organizacija na FIBA. 3x3 Makedonija, Makedonska košarkaška federacija i Agencijata za mladi sport. Bulls protiv Sarajevo. Za XXX Sarajevo Peća, Vuleta, Samir, Palata, Filip Perović i Vedran Živić. Bulls, Božidar Spasić, Marko Lepojević, Tomislav Šešović i Aleksandar Ilić. To the sea, to the air, there's a bust of the rhymes that we boss on the top of the bus. And my rhymes is not blood, but fuck it, let me get down to the rhythm. Yes, I get funky and I shoot on my chism like John. X-rated nigga, listen to the shit cause I am the ill figure. Nobody's getting any bigger than this. The phone is ringing, oh my god. 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 Listen up everybody, the bottom line. I'm a black intellect, but I'm refined. We precision like the bullet, target bound. Just living like a hookup, the harlot sounds. Now when I say the harlot, you know I mean the hot. Beat a gator, the broth that's in the pot. Jalek, you wind up your head. Captain of the poets under number 7 hit. Licks, boy, on your backside. Licks, boy, on your backside. Listen to the fader shot, eat, let's fly. Kick the earthly body, heavens on my side. Even in Santo Domingo, and I got a gringo. We got mics, when do we go? Know a little nigga who can rhyme when your ass beat short, dark, and plus his voice is fast like 1 for the trouble, 2 for the bass. You know the style trick, it's time to flip this. I like my beats hard like 2-day-old shit. Steady eating booty MCs like cheese. My man, I'll be sure he's in effect mode.
used to have a crush on doing for men both. It's not like Honey Dip would wanna get with me, but just in case I owe more condoms than TLC. Now the formula is this, me, Tip, and Ali. For those who can't count, it goes 1, 2, 3. The anti big up is who I be. Brothers find it's hard to do, but never me. Some others try to diss my Malik. You see him bitching me, not care about them BBMC. My shit is hitting. Trini Gladiator, anti-hesitator, Shaheed push the fader, from here to Grenada. Mr. Energetic, who me sound pathetic. When's the last time you heard a funky diuretic?
The main squeeze of the hillway is the body.
Yeah, it's like that, Anna. Yeah, it's like that, Anna.
The main squeeze of the hillway is the body.
up during the windshield. So bring your ripple, you can think twice. Cause I got more rhymes than a 5-pound bag of rice. I'm hitting hard, oh word, I'm gon' rock it. Once the shit drop, that's dope to the pocket. I cut down, you still can't get no parts. You couldn't do it cool if we was playing cards. But if I got beef, then it's time for cold red. My gun is like a hoe, it be taking mad niggas to bed. So hurry up and skedaddle. Even if you join the army, you still couldn't battle. So where you from? England? You somebody great? You burning smoke? I don't think shit, mate. I got the style to get you open like a bag of smoke. I had your first word, oh, man, that's in this dope. Leave me alone when I'm rocking on the microphone and play like E.T. and boom your black ass hole on. Yo, soul, sit down with the fruit, oh. Get up the mic and won't the show improve.
Hey, here I come with a slick rap, tic-tac-toe when I flip track, so give me my dick back. I flow to it and through it. If you ever need to wonder how you got dope like source money, you didn't do it. I write my own with bigger hope, drink a scope, bro. What I figure, no, damn, you dig a bigger dope. Rhymes too bastard, pull hookers like elastic, NBA style, fantastic. No time to fight what I just might. Tonight I rap left-handed, cause I like to grab my dick with my right. Who could ever say that I don't get played? Control the booking hard anyway. As I get ready, I'm steady. If I go crazy, I take Eddie. If I was Fred, I think I have to bone Betty. Sucking and lucking, hey, niggas, I'm ducking, mate. Not a no level, meaning ain't no motherfucking way. Rappers get gas, come on and get fast. Try to get past when I blast, and you can hand over your ass. One line, and that's fair. Rappers get so damn pussy, they gotta go for a patch smear. So Shaheed, if you're down with the boom, get on the mic, sound show proof.
I spark the mic like weed that's in a cipher, and I get girls open like a reggae song by Tiger. So check me out as I flip this in track here and make mad noise like a Metallica record. I'm psycho, appealing to the styles I be killing when I'm flustered, and all competition gets dusted. Cause I rock the world from USA to Asia to Russia. If the shit stinks, I'm a flusher, then rush ya like a crazy man from Cali, son. My jams be back like a Farrakhan rally. What? You know my style. I put the F in every foul. The rugged child lock shit down like Rackers out. And got my girls in the trailer, lower shower. What's up with the cat? I'm deep Punani Dandara. So Big Daddy, if you're down with the groove, my man, you know what I like, I want to show and prove.
Now tell me who is the man? Oh, with the high potent lyrics no rapper can never stand. It's stepping to me, thinking I can be touched. Not even Michael Jordan can gamble that much. Yo, I get down on it and give it the rappers that even act like they want it. I'll come for your title, kid, run it. Or else get hit with the ultimate, too legit skit. Oh yeah, that's that shit. Drop lyrics on you, strong as ammonia. That is the thong you, scone you, joan you. I tried to warn you, you was waxing I known you. Fake as a cupid zirconia, water just shown you. Real lyrics don't own you. Look aside, my rap book at every text, my man, and see that I got more essays than the Mexican. The Messiah is being great, leaving rappers in a weird state, scared straight for their prepared fate. Strong as an elephant, intelligent, compelling, and elegant. So well in it with every single element. And competition gets none. If I was wearing pantyhose, you still couldn't give me no run. I see the way you're trying to get to me, but with that speech impediment, man, you gotta come better. They're hitting all the wrong switches. Can they get them? Humble mouth rappers couldn't last a minute with the non-resistible, non-compatible. No, I said on the best. I'm just saying I'm fucking incredible. And let's just make one more thing understood. That if I fought on the record, trust me, nigga, it'll sound good. So JC, if you're down with the groove, my mellow, you know, my mellow, my mellow, my mellow, my mellow, my mellow.
You got me pissed off, blast off, lift up. Time for me to twist off a vocal fist off into your dome piece, home piece. I heard your chick wants to bone me. I get wild like rugby, respected like Muggsy. Don't even ask me, cause I'm living ugly. Born to succeed, foes bleed, true indeed. The oral combat will rump that you're one of my seeds. When I first busted on the scene, nigga, you knew I had more than a gangster lean. I mean, my lean is gangster though, so check it. I stick an MC for a spot and signing blood on his whack record. Booyaka to your face as I ruin ya, clown ya, dumbfound ya while I'm screwing her. Fuck out your girl as she steps into my world. I'm not the tallest, But that ass I polish, and if the hooker runs her mouth, she gets cut off. But then you'll sweat her, cause like my leather, your butter soft. Your style stinks, kid, you're garbage. And if you keep talking shit, I'ma make you pay homage. Cause the G to the U to the RU came too far to let you slide through. Rhymes will scar you, and who the fuck are you anyway? I catch more wreck in a minute than if you rhyme for 10 days. Throw the cash in the pot. You better dash, nigga, cause I'm blowing up the spot, Escaping the explosion. Those who are dozing, I close in, set the thermostat at sub-zero. Frozen, extreme temperatures for my mic. Stuns amateurs, unable to conquer the game. I am manager, piece to J. Ruder, Big Shook, and the group home. Keeping it real, no playing niggas are grown. I'm way past the kid shit, brothers already did shit. You want some props, your dog, here's a biscuit. I'm a smooth nigga, and my grooves bigger move, nigga. We don't care who's with you, got the picture. And you don't wanna hear the burners go pop. Gangstar, motherfucker, what? Blowing up the spot, up the spot.
Последният надпревар по групи.
I'm about to blow the fuck up.
Фаворити Ноа, 3x3 Прок. Капитените на двата тима. Охри да ве чуеме сега, фаворити Ноа се ваша екипа против 3x3 Брокс. За Брокс во сино ќе играат Милош Сузич, Милан Милошевич, Марко Стевановиć и Ненад Томашевиć. За фаворити Ноа Петар Бојовски, Васко Бојовски, Јован Николовски и Осман Чанер. Ајде момци, фер плей. Последен надпревар по групи, по овој меч следуваат елиминациите.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
One for all. One for all. One for all. One for all.
Ističe vreme to za napad. Hajde aplauz. Pa. Hajde Ohrid, daj još. Hajde podrška da vašite, hajde Ohrid. Opa. Hajde, hajde, nek se idete tlanki, hajde.
yo. So what's the scenario? Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario? Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. What's the scenario? Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Here we go, here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Here we go, 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 yo. Here
From radio to the video.
паузата меѓу мечевите по групи и елиминациите. Елиминациите ќе почнат за кратко. И требаат четворица доброволци да шутираат тројки за мајчка. Две девојчиња и две момчиња. Значи ни требаат доброволци, две момчиња, најдете две девојчиња и дојдете. Ајде, брзо. Најдете две девојчиња и дојдете. Ајде. Уште едно девојче. Еве уште едно девојче. Ајде сега сите други да излезат од теренот. Ајде момче, олабавите мало.
You need a posse the size of the Nazis to attack this, and you're more optimistic than the sounds of blackness. Flip rhymes to rip through the chest.
Значи шистите во теренот, дојди си, дојди.
Flattery will get you nowhere, unless it's
Ајде,
area, and then it gets you everywhere. Went to the flea market, was in my car
Ајде, слезете од теренот, ајде.
Zip the guy to his pocket, and with the fist of cup came the fist. And you joined Steven Seagal on him off a death hit list. Went back to the 70s and brothers got on grins. Cause they can step the sisters and say, slap me some skins, honey dip. And take the squad to the TV. Hit it off, smoke a cig, watch a little TV. And if there ain't no pace, there's no show, I just chill. Turn to kick them in the grill.
Дамите имаат предност. Кој ќе поводи, добива мајчка од поле од спорт.
What's the style while I do it? If you know it, going to do it. If you know
Опа,
it,
од три пати.
catch a pump to it. I'ma drop the flavor fluid on the tape if I do it. And like Aretha Franklin, your mom's jumping to it. So, where did you go? Where did you know? So many people wanna be fly like Joe. G.I. lots and lots, and any rapper can top the red hot. Not R&B rips hip hop. Not MC shirts is gonna flip flop. Not all those look like Sasquatch. Not and a bush gets enough props. Well, anyway, I'm a slay, all around my way. I make hooker soup. Hell over top, I like to thank MC Search. Show your chill for making me part of history. I'm in the grill.
Keep it in my dresser, lyrical professor. Keep it under pressure. Mind like a computer, the inserter, the night's much further. This is Nas, kid, you know how it runs. I'm waving automatic guns at nuns.
Ајде, другата девојче.
Serial killer who works by the phone book. For you, I got a lot to shoot songs here. My rhymes are hotter than a prostitute with gonorrhea. On the mic, I let vocabulary spill. Like that jaw, kick him in the grill. Back to the grill again, the grill again.
Опа, близко. Добро, добро. Опа! Добро. Ајде. Од три обида. Еден. Ама ако не погодите, ќе ви купувате. Ајде, момче. Може да се. Ти од тука не можеш па таму гледаш. Ева, мајчка да. Чекај, има шанса још. Не, од кај сакаш? Од кај сакаш, не мора од таму. Опа! Ајде, врати се. Чекај, бе, каде? Дај мајчката. Abe, bjegaj tamo, ajde i onda neko, ajde još lijepak. Vidimo, makedonska ravada. Ajde. Daj mu još jedna, daj mu još jedna. Ajde. Opa! Ajde. Ovdje ti ja dala tamo da se slika. Ima i za tebe, ima, ne se slika, ima. Daj mi ja druga tamo. Dođe. Sad to ti je se. Slika mi dođe.
Straight out of Jersey.
Prvото četvrt finale na prvi od satelit u Makedonija. Kragujevac protiv Bulls. Kapitenot na Kragujevac da prijavi ekipata. Momci, zagrejte se dobro, nema poprave.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. And with the local DBC news, LL Cool J with a triumphant comeback.
Jimmy, kada si Jimmy? Momci, još 30 sekundi. Od četvrt finale, Ohrid, ovo je to što go čekavte. Za ekipa dana Bulls, vo beli dresovi, će igrat Božidar, Spasić, Marko, Lepojević, Tomislav, Tesović i Aleksandar Ilić. Ohrid, aplauz! Kragujevac, sini ili plavi, Aleksa, Ristić, Đorđe, Kostić, Ivan, Nedeljković i Popović, Filip. Opa, 1-0. Faul na šut. Da, da. Jedno. dotknęłaś i isteče времето za napad.
You down with LPP? You down with LPP? You down with LPP? Who's down with LPP? You down with LPP? You down with LPP? You down with LPP? Who's down with
Body moving, A1 sound and the sound so soothing. Body moving, we be getting down and you know what puts you in.
Let me get some action in the back section. Anybody rockin'? Not perfection. Got full grip, but don't slip with this. And I just find out why he say risk. I wanna do the brick, put the brick down. Tell me what it is, that's so warm. The ship is docking, interlocking, and I'm rocking. Electroshocking, being hitting down,
You done action.
to the robotic satisfaction.
Opa!
And get involved with.
Body moving, A1 sound and the sound so
Bang,
soothing.
bang, one.
Body moving, we be getting down and you know what puts you in.
Flame on, I'm gone. I'm so sweet like a nice bonbon. King out rapping when I was born. I'm just rocking to the break of dawn. Bodies in motion 'cause I got the notion. Point for me, but the coconut don't shit. The sound of the rhythm making you insane. Explain the business, talk for my brain. Like a bottle of shit, milk the pop. One, stop to rap. Anybody rocking? Not perfection. Let me get some action from the back section.
Body moving, A1 sound and the sound
Nema obrać, nema obrać.
Body moving,
Isteče времето za napad.
down and you know what puts you in.
Lord Finesse is the brother that you have to hear. I flow smooth like clouds in the atmosphere. I'm spectacular, so damn terrifying that whack MCs don't think about ever trying to just flip. Cause what it boils down to, you won't survive the steps to me in round two. I stand and expand like a great man and swing a party like Charles and an Ip Man. Say rhymes that are necessary, make them extra scary. Watch Finesse and take notes like a secretary. I get furious, display experience. Lord Finesse is nasty, period.
Foul, na šut.
Lord Finesse in effect with the master rap. And I flip on a mic like an acrobat. I won't fret, step, but I'll make the rep. Use a vinyl wax or tape cassette. Think I'm weak? Take your next look and get schooled and read like a textbook. Cause I'm the better man and I never ran. MC beat me, I give credit to whoever can. Cause I terrify, scare and horrify. Couldn't win against me if you let your father try. Hang and socialize, rhymes just multiply. Me and Mike get with it cause we both will fly. Lyrical lecture, word architecture. Rap director, the best in my sector. Microphone crew chief, releasing a smooth beat. I get nasty with a pen and some loose leaf. Lyrical summary, there's only one me. And Lord Finesse is far from a wannabe. Cause I can get funky and smooth like Cashmere. And slay a rapper with rhymes that's elastic. So don't try roasting a toast. Approaching, I break you physically and emotionally. So damn fly at this, so don't even try to this. Put rhymes together like a stupid mad scientist in a laboratory. I'm a brother with a bad story. Lord Finesse stand tops in my category. MCs are petrified with nowhere left to hide. I slay a rap and goes up, who's next to try? I ain't having it, poetical graduate. And me get whipped by who?
Imagine it, MCs on jeopardy as soon as they step to me. I'm the man ladies break their neck to see. Highly explosive and nothing to joke with. Cause I can get funky on a fast or a slow tip. Cause I'm badder, but it doesn't matter. Sharp like a dagger, able a ragger. Moody MC who dares try to play me. Cause even the ladies tell me.
Deset pomogao od 5 minuti do kraja. Prvo četvrtfinale. Nema popraven.
Drop the math, and I sketch up rhymes just like arts and crafts. Foes mumble, babble, get crushed cause they fragile. Release more words than in 3 games of Scrabble. MC Law finesse I reign with supremacy. I'll take 1, 2, or a team of 3 or 10 of them. Cause I can never sound feminine. When getting funky for the ladies and gentlemen, remarkable. I came to rock the show, wax some seeds like a bottle of Motley Glow with water raps. And many can't afford to snap. And I throw and score like a quarterback, shoot for the touchdown. I'm from uptown, raw finesse and effect, so what's up now? Rhyme, slide, and glide, but fit perfectly. A swift genius, but no need to worship me. I'll remain hot to make your brain drop. Cause I'm a river and you're just a raindrop. Bronx is where I come from, far from a dump. Brothers be running just a down 911. Raw finesse and effects, did you lose now? My pockets stay fat like a goose now. I use the master brain to drive the faster lane. Quitting rhymes and shapes just like Jack LaLanne. Fix and balance it cause I'm talented. I write fly lyrics and dare others to come challenging. I can get nifty, funky, or even fancy. I know, but yo, let this flow. Cause fast and slow, I'll still get the dough. And the ladies to cheer and praise me and tell me when I rhyme.
The tables turned, really back on time. Tony Touch, the incredible DJ. The tables turned, really back on time. Tony Touch, the incredible DJ. The tables turned, really back on time. Okay, Tony Touch.
It is so tremendous.
Tony Touch.
Yo, I be the mic smoker, Puff Dro with Tony Toka. He be the beat breaker, the masterpiece maker. Making masterpieces, timeless, work so hard. Some of y'all might be afraid of what lurks in the dark. So by the wave of his hand and by the flick of his wrist, Tone brings things to light at the flick of his wrist. Well respected, well connected.
Ti se izgubi, that's it.
Fanatic, dramatic on the crossfaders. All my people that love that real shit, they got love for Tone cause he make them feel shit. All that DJs like to steal shit. But when we see him, they be frontin' like it's love, knowing damn well they wanna be him. Tiny on Indian style, that's what we giving them style. It be the peacemaker, I'm the jewel of the wild. Gang to the star, hold your Glock steady. Word to rock steady, better get your blocks ready.
Tony Touch, the incredible DJ. The tables turned, really back on time. Bravo! Okay. Bravo!
It is so tremendous.
Tony Touch.
We sleeping on the pro, creeping on the low, T-O-N-T-Y. Fuck with us and watch your fam die, damn high. Know you want another CD of that.
Dajte mu na kuće u mjevcama podaleko od tuga. Taj si care. Zdravo majstore. Zdravo stare, zdravo.
Out of nothing and surprises all you weak-minded sideways suckers. You can't deny it. It's like doing a bit and not learning jack shit.
Vraćajte go dalje veće fauline.
What was that shit? Niggas got shit backwards and drastic. Will the dollar rule or will we rely on plastic? No whack shit. We're gonna rely on the final decisions and bad revisions for all rivals. I will always be the brother you can relate to. Guru, Premier, my man Tone, the peacemaker.
Ostaje ga Stef Karić Iličke šutira, ostaje ga.
DJ. The tables turned, really back on time.
Bravo, Zlatevski. Aha. Si aparao devojkama, Zlatevski.
I know my streets, I know my sound, y'all know my beats, so I get down. I take my steps and leaps and bounds. Nigga, it's hip hop. Yeah, we started from nothing. A couple MCs beatboxing, the crowd crowd in the lunchroom. Yeah, me and Cream. Both names go together like they ain't supposed to be separate, like D and D. I said it before, I rep and wreck this beats at the headquarters. Rest in peace. Nigga, I'ma hold you shotty and knock you out. And I ain't gotta know karate like I for rock. It's hip hop, yeah, strong or not. This is rap basketball, stats all you got. Long as you hot and your flow get hold up to knowing that all your short goals as long as 90% of you niggas ain't hard. Here just to get a rep, you not gang stars. The finest flow will amaze. Rap without me is the source minus the quotable page. Hip hop is everything around you. No competition. Back to the voice of today. Real in the field, what's realer than hip hop? Yeah, I know my strengths, I know my sound. I know my beats, I get down. I take my steps and leaps and bounds. Nigga, it's hip hop. I'm long-winded. I will dish you from long distances. You would chance like chopper. Ness and die line to disrespect who you don't listen to. Egg in the skillet brain, nigga, this is you. Smart enough. Every person in the earth be hard ending up, but the only target is us. It's hip hop, yeah, cars and trucks. I be dreaming about shit like having a hard time swinging on a nigga, squeezing the trigger, fall. If I land, I won't wake up. My 6-shot motto. Your crew, I'm leaving your mama face is blue like a hypnotic bottle. They feel you to really, you spit. This killer shit is here and it's healing you. If you ill or you sick, mentally it's hip hop. Is everything around you. Gotta be something for beats to write this. Back to the voice of the dead. What's realer than hip hop? Yeah, I know my streets, I know my sound. Y'all know my beats, I get down. I take my steps, I step.
Tri Podgorica, da li je tuka? Ekipata na 3x3 Podgorica, da li je tuka? 3x3 Podgorica. Следни во распоредот Нови Beograd Golf и 3x3 Podgorica. Шваре, оптовари ги, додека се загреваат. Kada ekipa Novi Beograd, Dušan Milošević, Dušan Stanković, Miloš Milovanović i Nemanja Drašković. Sokършиги чашите. Айде, момци, ферплей. Ако може децата од Агола да се тргнат од тука, опасно е. Одете позади некој од рекламите.
When you hear the hey sugar plum, how can you assume that the bitch of the volume doesn't have no tune? Not your everyday regular rap star. One-on-one as a rap sum it all. We went the hard way, please the hard way. What the fuck is hey yo? My name is J-Roll, and my style is so dope they call
Stop Capelli.
Wanted anything instead of this. We've been making you bounce for many years already. Rock steady and cut. Many niggas took confetti, but I just wanna blaze it up. Whether it's the mic or a split, yes, my gift is to amaze you all. Thought I couldn't come for 10, my friend, but guess what? I slay niggas and still say them my best nut. But you better cover your rhymes, cause you never know when. I spit it out and start some flow in. I drop rhymes that grow like trees you're smoking. Eardrums feel like lungs, your brain's choking. Just let it soak in, seep in, creep in. I'm keeping all you motherfuckers in the deep end. You want a trip, then I got luggage. I'll stop you when it send you off, cause you ain't working.
just a hold up. Ain't that
Kraj, 21, 13, Novi Beograd Golf, polufinalist.
It looked about 102. It's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, hello, can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, yo, call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, now with this loose team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter sore. I know she look prevented with them clothes up off. Sitting all thick with the ruby red lipstick. That's the one I got to get with. Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause they got a big B-U-T-T. See? Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause they got a big B-U-T-T. She said if I get with you, I got to get with your whole hood rap crew. What you think I do? Sling skin for a living? My name ain't November. This ain't Thanksgiving. You ain't Michael Bivins. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down.
Prox i Swish.
I am down. My name ain't Tupac. I don't get around. You hitting this nigga? How that sound? First of all, you got me mixed up with somebody you done slept with. Hold up, that's my military shit. I got something slick up.
Pobednik od ova četvrtfinale gdje igra protiv ekipa Dana Kragujevac u polufinale.
I get older, I'm getting older, competition is waning. I got the girl and the silver lane in. I'm on the left, but I'm on the right. We're gonna try to put the motherfucking right to play. Make some noise, look at it. Make some noise, look at it. All the direction, popular election, get paid every year like tax collection. Hear my protection, rotary connection, taking MCs down, but leave the rap rejection. When I get pissed, you must be drinking, busy liquor, drinking, you got lift. Head sick, I'm just ripping when I get MCs. It's time for me and Cliff
pimp shit. Everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah.
Ajde momci, fotografiranje.
Be like clitoral stimulation to the female gender. Ain't nothing better, let me know when it's wet enough to enter. If not, I wait because the future of the world depends on if or if not the child we raise gon' have that nigga syndrome. Or will it know to beat the odds regardless of his skin tone? Or will it feel that if you tune it, it just not get picked on? Or will it give a fuck about what others say and get gone? The alienators cause we different, keep your hands to the sky. Like sounds of blackness when I practice what I preach, it don't lie. I be the baker and the maker of the piece of my pie. Now breaker, tenfold, can I get some reply? Now everybody say,
throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah.
Ajde momci u korner. Preto četvrtfinale. Prox protiv Sviš. Za ekipa danas Sviš. Će nastapat Miloš Lakić, Kosta Abramović i Bogdan Cebalović. Prox, Miloš Suzić, Marko Milošević, Marko Stevanović i Nenad Tomašević. Ajde okriš, aplauz! Pobednik od ove mečke igra protiv ekipa Dana Kragujevac v prvoto polufinale.
Jesus, the notorious just. Please us with your lyrical thesis. We just chillin', milk 'em, top villain, silkin', pure linen, medium, little seeds, Malibu sea breeze, dawn peas, palm trees, cats named Pablo, and milked out Diablo, the williest, bitches be the silliest. The more I smoke, the smaller the silly gets. Room 112, where the players dwell, and stash more cash than Bert Fidel. Inhale, make you feel good like Tony. Dig up in your middle like Moni. Yeah, she don't know me, but she's setting up to blow me. Try to style sliding off with a homie. Yeah, Escada Dondada, player, stay splurging. Game so tight, they call it version.
Oh, I need to know where we stand. You said it's special for love. I know I do what I'm gonna do. I just can't hear you other
of the sea, back to the black Snoop Doggy Dogg, get the I put soul on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my cane. Follow me, but don't lose your grip. 9 trips ain't big, it's there for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nothing back, and motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20 track. It's like that, and that's not a fact. Cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, rock the manuscript. You see that this a must be rock gangsta.
What's the motherfucking name?
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we got Tony Braxton up in the house. We live up in here, y'all. It's getting hot. Yeah. Let's get
The cow shitting again, spitting the wind, loaded guns, clipping the end, none sicker than him, yes indeed. I'm illers in the STDs or sex disease, these dirty rats want extra cheese on that piece of the pot. Now ask me how high, I tell you reach for the sky, bring the crooked letter rock, that's my home, 23's wrapped in chrome, not only snap on your niggas, but I'm strapped in bone, slap your dome, make you leave that crack alone. You got the key to the city, but the latch is on, I got it locked, bringing the noise, bringing the bringing my boys, bringing you lunch, pop the clock, but only if you feel this shit. Jack the Ripper, don't make me have to kill this bitch. Back to get ya, put it in check, that's the Mr. Mac with his foot on your neck, shut your lips up. Smoke cheaper, cheaper, smoke cheaper, cheaper. You're so hot that I can kiss the sky. Brick City, take a crooked letter out. Let's get.
Calling a man when the party is boring. I had these hoes stripping till it's part of the morning. I love a fat chick with a body enormous. It ain't about the weight, yo, it's how they performance. My dash is 180, my weed half a pound. When it's smoke in the air, my nose like basset hounds. I don't stash the drug, nigga divide. I'm that nigga that ride with a trigger to get a supply. Ha, it's how I stay all the time. Niggas close your door. Yo, bitches shut all your blinds. If I'm hard to find, take 2 puffs and pass. I stayed back, but my Benz moved up a class. It's Dr. Meth. The format is real sickening, contagious. We out for Mr. Big's women. You better shut your trap when my dog's around. We pissing on fire hydrants, so walk around, bitch.
Smoke cheaper, cheaper, smoke cheaper, cheaper. You're so hot that I can kiss the sky. Brick City, take a crooked letter out. Let's get.
Važi. Faul. Žuti spreod. Važi.
Or the nigga who be talking loud and holding his dick, talking shit, he better lay low. For the nigga who be talking loud and holding his dick, talking shit, he better lay low. For the nigga who be, for the nigga, for the nigga, for the nigga.
Yeah, this one right here goes out to all the babies, mamas. Baby mamas. Yeah, go like this. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am the real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am the real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Kraj.
Don't like me. Doing things like having the boys play.
Kraj na tretio četvrtfinale nadprevor 21-10.
Take her right out. That's my house. I disconnect the cable and turn the lights out. Let her know her grandchild is a baby and not a paycheck. Private school, daycare, shit, medical bills, I pay that. I love your mom and everything.
Povedena ekipa da na profesko, a što ovo polufinale dok igra se Kragujevac.
She never got a chance to get my side of the story.
Posljednji od četvrtfinala da programa
Child birthday, I invited, despite it. I'm sure her
se Sarajevo i Imoćan.
you will defend that lady when I call you.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Čuvajte go klinu.
Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Me and your daughter got special things going on. You say it's puppy love. 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 You say it's puppy love.
abused. If it ain't possessing something sweet,
Moja dva boka nema baš kada da se najde zašto ne mi ni treba. Morano se misle deka vozam podobro na treba, ama već ja ne znam, pa ja nema ne možem nam da rokam šunke počna, meni i da pijam i da močam, meni je baš prioritet za da se snimam.
Така го се, треба, учи ги децата, учи ги.
Прето главо времето пройде од кога дете Грев и од кога во порта рока ти среќен Грев само сад да ги насмеам моите близки Тогаш не смеев са настапчени и записки Ама живот курва е ко карта па се сврте Рапов стана цицинја меки и грш тртен Па си реков да му го сачукам ако може Проблемот е под кожен, дали свакаш Боже Слободно се кажувам ја се што ми ислам Смотано во хартија бела ко да е рисла Моите никад не ме сватија зашто им зборам Затоа и не се прибирам никогаш дома Се што сум напишало тогаш не е снимено Ама се што просто покрај мене е задимено Лупам рими кило, елде параноја Колко фрицели се токале, од тогаш никак не ги броја Можеш да ми направиш се, ама нема Болеста да ми ја издати што не ја гледам Можеш да ми речеш да сачукам и ќе пројде Ама мене некако ми прија и болно се добре дојде
Žuti, kaj si? Hoди da maskiraš preponi, žuti. Ajmo momci slikanje. Pomešajte se. Izvedi. Ajmo momci u ćošak. Posledno četvrt finale na prviот satelit во Македонија. Честа ја има Охрид. Најквалитетниот турнир досега кај нас. Сараево XXX и Имочан. За екипата на Имочан. Тулје, Перич, Лука, Катич, Станко, Фунџич и Јосип Јукич. Сараево XXX, Пеđa Vuleta, Damir Pavata, Filip Pejović i Vedran Živić. Пајде Охрид, покажи дека си тука Охрид. Ајде, одберете топка и одиме. Може, ова, може. Последно, четврт финале. Поправен, нема. Vai.